Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI image text to image on Canva. So you can see this is Canva, so you have to choose any post you want to like. So I'm just going to choose Instagram post square. You can take any canvas you want. So you can see this is one canvas, it's a black color. Then once you see that your interface like this, then what you need to do, you need to here click the application on the bottom side. Once you click here, then search Canva app. So you need to search here Magic Media. Then you will get here the first option. Simply click here. Once you click here, then you can see describe what you would like to create. So simply enter 5 words to describe. Okay, I'm just going to simply write something. uh, Beautiful garden, beautiful mango garden with river. And click the generate image. So you can see it's loading. It takes a few moments to generate it, so you need to wait. So this way you can write anything. If you're good at prompt writing, then you will get the good quality photos. So you can see it's already generated, and what I wanted exactly they showed me like this. So you can choose any of like four. So I'm just going to choose the first one, or you can simply click here, or you can drag and drop here. So I'm just going to okay this one, and you can resize it. So you can see it's really beautiful and cool. You can add anything here, or you can add text here. Something like this. Or then you can share or export. So this way you can use the text to image generator. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.